Imagine a detective trying to solve a mystery. Someone committed a crime, and it's up to the detective to figure out who did it. But how can they find the person responsible? One of the special tools detectives use is called forensic serology. Forensic serology may sound like a big and fancy term, but it's all about studying body fluids like blood, saliva, and even sweat. These liquids are like little clues in the human body that can help solve a mystery. When a crime happens, sometimes these body fluids are left behind at the scene. Forensic serologists are scientists who have the amazing job of examining these clues to find out what happened. Let's step into their world and see how they work. Picture this. A crime scene is like a jigsaw puzzle, and each piece of fluid is a part of the puzzle. Forensic serologists collect samples of the fluids carefully. They wear special gloves and use clean tools to avoid mixing up the evidence. Next, they bring these samples to the lab. In the lab, they use fascinating machines to figure out what these fluids are made of. They can find things like blood types, DNA fingerprints, and even if someone drank a fizzy drink before the crime. Forensic serologists have special skills. They can tell if the blood is fresh or if it's been there for a while. They can even determine if the blood belongs to a human or an animal. Isn't that cool? One of the most amazing things about forensic serology is DNA testing. DNA is like a book filled with every tiny detail of a person. No two people have the same DNA, except for identical twins. Forensic serologists use DNA to match a sample from the crime scene to a suspect. If it matches, they're one step closer to solving the puzzle. Forensic serology is like being a super sleuth with science. It helps detectives find the truth, and it has solved many mysterious cases. Thanks to forensic serologists, people who do bad things can be found, and justice can be served. So, next time you hear about a detective or a mystery being solved, remember that forensic serology might have played a big part in cracking the case. It's like having science as a superpower to fight crime and bring peace to the community.